Oh, hey! I didn't see you there. Well, have you ever had trouble doing arts and crafts?
Stacy, why am I so bad at arts and crafts? Stacy, I wish I could paint like that.
Because all you've got to do is press the switch. Okay, so we're going to push this switch, which is a class 1 lever. That switch is going to start the fan, which is a wheel and axle. Attached to the fan is this string, which is attached to this pulley, which is attached to this can. So when the fan rotates, it's going to pull on the string, and this can is going to fall off the table. And this can is also attached to these scissors, which are class 1 levers as well as a wedge. When this can falls down, the scissors are going to close, cutting this string. When that string cuts, this car, which is also a wheel and axle, is going to roll down this inclined plane, hitting these dominoes, which are also class 3 levers. These dominoes are going to come over here and hit this glue bottle off the table. This glue bottle is then going to pull this class 2 lever down, and when this class 2 lever falls, it's going to take the golf ball is going to roll down onto this second inclined plane, which is then going to roll into this pipe acting as a screw, and then it's going to roll out of the window on another inclined plane. Okay, so after the ball rolls down that inclined plane, the golf ball will hit this Lego, which is attached to this hook. And because the golf ball hits the Lego, it'll push it out and it'll let the hook go. The hook will slide all the way down this inclined plane, hitting those dominoes. After it hits these dominoes, it'll go all the way over here, hit this book. This book will hit that can of beans. This can of beans will then fall off the counter, pulling this faucet handle, which will then turn on the faucet. The water will go into this funnel, down this tube, and start to fill up this bucket, which is attached by a pulley to this weight. Once this bucket starts to fill up with water, it will become heavier and lift up this weight, which will then allow that Domino's box to fall forward because it is being held taut by a string, hitting this cup of glue that will then fall onto the paper. That cup of glue falling will then loosen this string, which is holding the domino from falling over. All the dominoes will fall. Then they will hit this cup of glitter, which will fall onto the glue, thus completing our arts and crafts project. There we go. And here's our finished arts and crafts project.
Put your flags up in the sky, and wave them side to side.